Hello gig workers, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys making lots of money. If you're not a gig worker, join the team. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and skip the dishes from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more videos like this. Stick around to the end because I always do the breakdown of the tips, how much I make per hour. Why I think Uber Eats and skip the dishes is a good pair to multi-app. I'll start with the zone wise. Skip the dishes have a wider zone or a bigger area to work. Like I'm working in Northwest, so I work from all the way from West End all the way to downtown. So it's a wider area to work with. Whereas DoorDash, if I go to downtown, I have to come back to the west to get orders. And Uber Eats, you could just log in and work any part of the city. So that's one reason they're paired up pretty good. Okay, another reason is skip the dishes. You could pause your shift anytime that you want. Say like you have an order with Uber Eats and you want to deliver that order, you could just pause it and then deliver the Uber Eats one, come back and resume back your skip the dishes. If you have a 4-hour shift, you could do that. Whereas DoorDash, if you paused it, you have 35 minutes to resume back, and if you didn't resume back in time, you get logged out on that shift or they will end your shift. Another reason skip the dishes and Uber Eats is a good pair. Both of them are payout is pretty close, $1 per kilometers. That in my market. Whereas DoorDash, sometimes you have to drive 15 kilometers for $10, 20 kilometers. So it eats up lots of your time, and then you have to drive all the way back to your zone to get an order. Final reason I could think about, know your market, like which apps is popular in your market, so then you could pair them up together. In my market here to the Northwest, Uber Eats and skip the dishes is pretty popular. I'll pair them up today and let's see the result. Let's set a goal of $20 an hour, see if we could achieve that. So let's hope for the best and think positive. The time is 10:59. Log into Uber Eats, skip the dishes, run in here, matching orders. So our time start now. So I have an order from Uber Eats, $8.88, 8 kilometers. I'll accept that. So received that order from the restaurant. Customer is 11 minutes away, 6.8 kilometers. It's a far drive. Deliver that order, $8.88. I have an order from Skip the Dishes, $7, going 3.4 kilometers. Arrive at customer location, and instruction here it says contactless, so no contact, just leave it by the door. So I delivered that order. Transit pay was $3.49. Top up was $3.51. Customer didn't tip. Big fat zero. So I have an order from Skip the Dishes, $7, 6 kilometers. Accept that. So arrive at the restaurant and Skip the Dishes doesn't show what you have to pick up, so that's a good idea. So I pick up that order from the restaurant. Customer is 4 minutes away, 2.7 kilometers. Okay, that order pays $7. Transit pay was $3.99. Top up was $2.01. Customer tip $1. So I have an order from Uber Eats, $6.48, 6 kilometers. Subway Roblin. Okay, I'll accept that. Stop. So I have an order from Skip the Dishes, $7. So I accept that order. and the one from Uber Eats. Cancel that one. That one was too far, and it's only pay $6. So I took the one from Skip the Dishes, and it's only 5.6 kilometers, and I think it pays $7. Pick up the order from KFC, and customer is 6 minutes away, 3.2 kilometers, and this is a Skip the Dishes order. So I arrived at customer location, and she said please call when I arrived. Yeah, Skip the Dishes, I'm here. Drop off customer order from the KFC. Transit pay was $3.99. Top up $3.01. Customer 0 tip. What? What's wrong with this Skip the Dishes customer? Off an order from Uber Eats, $4.03, 1.9 kilometers. I'll accept that one. So I pick up that order from McDonald's. They were really fast today. Took me like 5 minutes. Customer is 3 minutes away, 2 kilometers. Took a picture of that. $4.04. So I have another order from Uber Eats, $4.63, 2.8 kilometers. Just gonna accept that. So I arrived at the McDonald's. This is another McDonald's order. I pick up the order from McDonald's. 16 minutes wait. Customer is 2 minutes away, 1 kilometers. Let's see if Uber pay me for waiting. $9.54. Thank you, Uber, for paying for waiting. So the time is 1:31. I'm just gonna end my shift now. It gets slow. So stay tuned for the summary. So hey guys, so welcome back, and this is a summary. I'll start with Skip the Dishes. This order was $7. Transit pay $3.49. Top up was $3.51. This order was $7 too. Transit pay $3.99. Top up was $2.01. Customer tip $1. Third one, $7 too. Transit pay $3.99. Top up was $3.01. With Skip the Dishes, 3 order was $21. And I had 3 order with Uber Eats. This order was $11.81. Customer tip $2.93. $6.69. Customer tip $2.65. And the last one here, $10.54. Customer tip $1. So between Skip the Dishes and Uber Eats, the total is $50.04 minus $4 for gas equal $46.04 divided by 2 hours and 30 minutes equal $18.41. So we fell short on our goal. Our goal was $20 an hour, but $18.41 is still a great wage per hour. So Skip the Dishes and Uber Eats is pretty good. It's a great match. All depends on your market and how often can you get scheduled with Skip the Dishes. Sometimes it's really hard to get scheduled with Skip the Dishes. And Uber Eats, you could just work whenever you want, 12 hours straight. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.